Hello viewers, welcome to another video web creation. Today in this episode we will learn how to make a registration form with PHP step by step. Now let's see. First I will search Xampp. You can see Xampp download option here. You can download it for Windows, Linux and operating system. You have to download the first file of Windows. It starts for downloading. Now it has download. I have opened the file. It already created the Xampp. Open this HT docs and create a new folder like web creation and also create PHP and HTML file for registration form. Now open this for coding starts. First HTML head and title web creation. Okay. Just save and go to the URL page. Now run the file with localhost. It's very carefully to run. Open this file and open your PHP file. Now you can see just adjust your form, table row, table data, name, again reload. Now you can see this name field is create, align equals to center. Reload this page. Input type text. Save and text file is create. Now check it. It is done. Now just copy and adjust it for form. In here submit button create, input type equals to submit. Copy and submit button is create. Now check it. Our name, phone number and email field is already create. Now I am create a registration headline. In here body H1 registration. Now run. Registration form is create. Align equals to center. Our registration form is already done. Now just check it and fill up this form. Name equals to web creation. Phone number like this. Email like it. Just submit your form. Now try it. If you have any question, please ask to me in the comment box. Bye.